dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home, and also you are enjoying your holidays. My name is Amna Naz and I am the teacher of pre-prep. I am here to teach you maths. Okay students, tell me what we have learnt in our previous lectures. We have learned number 1 and 2. What we have learnt in our previous lectures? We have learned number 1 and number 2. 1 sun, 2 balloons. Repeat it with me. 1 sun, 2 balloons. And now we will see how we write number 1. First of all, we use slant line, standing line and sleeping line. Slant line, standing line and sleeping line. And how we write number 2? Make a curve, slant line and sleeping line. Again, make a curve, slant line and sleeping line. And now we are going to do a very interesting activity of number 1 and 2. You know, it's very interesting. Now, let's do this activity together. Let's move towards our activity. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to do a very interesting activity. I hope you will enjoy this activity. It's very interesting. First of all, we will trace the number. Which number is this? 1, 2. Repeat it with me. 1, 2. First of all, we will trace the number and then we will do the finger practice of these numbers. Okay? And then independently we will write here. First of all, trace the number. Put your pencil over this dot. Make a slant line, standing line like this and a sleeping line. Number 1. आपने क्या trace किया है? You trace the number 1. Now trace number 2. Make a curve, then a slant line and then sleeping line. It's very easy peasy. Make a curve, slant line and then sleeping line. Now this is how you will trace number 2. Number 2. Okay. Now in these two numbers we will do the finger printing. We will do the fingerprinting. First of all, we will use the red color and in one we will do the fingerprinting like this. Yes. Oh wow, I'm enjoying very much. I hope you will also enjoy this activity. How interesting it is. Now we will do the fingerprinting of number 2. Now do the fingerprinting in number 2 like this. Wow, it's looking very nice. As you can see how it is interesting. I'm enjoying it very much. Yes. What we are going to do? We are doing fingerprinting of number 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now you will write it independently. First you trace the number, then you do the activity of number 1 and 2 by fingerprinting, and now you will write it independently. How to write 1? As we have learned in our previous lectures, first of all you will make a slant line by joining these two dots, then make a standing line like this, and now you will make a sleeping line. It's very easy peasy. This is how you will write number 1. Number 1. Now write number 2. Put your pencil over this dot, make a curve like this and make sure your number should not go out of the box. Your number should between in the box, okay? Now slant line and then sleeping line. how interesting it is. This is how you will write number 1 and 2. Okay students, I hope you enjoy the activity. Do the practice of this activity at your home and enjoy your holidays. Take care.